All right, everyone. All right, all tow operators, roadside people, and auto mechanic shops. This is really cool. This is the 7-piece spare tire universal kit. I'm gonna let you watch me see how long it takes to get the spare tire out of this vehicle with the factory equipment, which I haven't done this in so long, I do not remember what side of the vehicle's on. So we're gonna start this from scratch. It's going to look for the spare tire holder. And now, the thing about it is now I have to move this person's stuff. I have to put it on the floor, put it on the ground. With that, I don't have to do any of that. I can just go straight to the thing and lower it. Let's see how long this takes. I don't remember what side it's on. The seat's full of all kind of stuff. All right. Must be on the other side. Oh, it's back here. Okay. So this is your roadside right now. There's cars whizzing by you. Here's what we need. People on their phones not paying attention, doing 80 miles an hour. Now, I'm digging out this kit. Then it's a pain in the butt to put back because even though you're not going to use their jack, at least you wouldn't have to. Just got to dig all this stuff out. Let's see what we got here. Let's go to the tailgate. Open the tailgate. Here's the keys. It gets the lock out. Now imagine we're roadside, so you have to assemble this. There's people flying by you. Oh, this thing is awesome. And now you gotta put the puzzle together. I haven't done this in a while, so people are gonna make fun of me, which they do anyway. I'm all right with it. Pretty sure that's it. Down there. I think it's 4 feet long. All right. Hope they got the right end. Have the right end. Or is it this end? See, this is the other pain in the butt part about it. I could go cheat and look at the other tool. I got always killer handy dandy flashlight. Make sure nothing's obstructing. It's right there. So it looks like that end. Too big. This thing. Is it coming down? Right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, but you know what? I'm done with this. Let's just grab the right equipment. All right, after all of that mess right there, I still didn't figure it out. I went over there, checked it out. The orange, your Ford. It's just this easy. None of that. All that mumbo jumbo. Take it. Slide it in, it's in. Okay? Always pay attention. Left loose, right tight. Because this will break that, I promise you. I borrowed this from my brother. He breaks lug nuts on a regular when he needs to. So we're gonna left. Tires out. I didn't even get a chance to use that thing. I might put it together just to show the difference of how much quicker that is. So now, instead of cranking it, get over there and pay attention. One tool, no assembly necessary, and your impact. All that crap. That was horrible. We're gonna put it together and just show you how much time difference there is in using that and this, if you did know how to use it, which I don't, obviously. So we're gonna do that now. So we need the big square end, which is that end right there. So we're gonna have to do this. This is still a damn mystery, man. This is the worst thing they've ever come up with. These people should be beaten. You know that goes there. This goes here. This is what we're gonna do, because there is a notch right there. So this is gonna go in. I don't get this. Is super frustrating. I don't know how anybody uses it. It's the same as the tool I have. I mean, it works. But you're roadside. And people are whizzing by you doing 80, 90 miles an hour, at least 50 or 60. Jump starts and tires, boy. That right there will save you some time, make you safer. You're not roadside. And now you still gotta go put all this mess back up. One more time, watch this. This is this simple. Lefty loose. Bam, there it is. Righty tight. That easy. Come get the right tools for the right job at jbtow.com. Stay off the roadside no longer than you have to. And don't work no harder than you need to. Work smarter, not harder. Slow down, move over. You'll save a life, and it's the law.